Hello everyone, welcome back to Bike Legend Pro Car Fire. If you love legendary vehicles, powerful machines, and classic off-roaders, then you're in the right place. ARV Introduction. Today, we are talking about a true Indian legend, the Mahindra CJ3B. But wait, imagine this icon returning in a 2026 modern avatar. Yes, in today's video, we'll explore the Mahindra CJ3B 2026 concept. Its design, engine expectations, features, and why this Jeep could become a game-changer for off-road lovers. So don't skip, let's begin. Brick design and exterior. The Mahindra CJ3B 2026 stays true to its classic DNA. Boxy and muscular body, round LED headlights with DRLs. Bold vertical grille inspired by the original CJ3B. Flat bonnet and exposed hinges for a rugged look. Massive off-road tires with steel or alloy wheels. Removable roof and doors for hardcore adventure lovers. This Jeep is built to look raw, tough, and timeless. Gear engine and performance expected. Under the hood, the 2026 CJ3B could feature 2.2 LM Hawk diesel engine, 6-speed manual transmission, optional 4x4 drivetrain, high ground clearance, strong low-end torque for off-roading. This Jeep is not about speed. It's about power, durability, and terrain domination. Couch and lamp interior and features. Inside, Mahindra may blend classic simplicity with modern tech. Minimalist rugged dashboard, digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, waterproof seats, manual AC, roll cage for safety, built for adventure, not luxury, just the way real Jeep lovers want it. Shield safety features, expected safety highlights, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold and hill descent control, strong ladder frame chassis, high-strength steel body, money bag expected price and launch. If Mahindra ever brings this legend back, the expected price could be right finger 10 rupees 14 lakh rupees ex-showroom. This would make it a perfect rival to lifestyle off-roaders like the Thar. Fire final verdict. The Mahindra CJ3B 2026 concept is not just a vehicle. It's an emotion, a legacy, and a symbol of freedom. If launched, this Jeep could rule the hearts of off-road enthusiasts, vintage vehicle lovers, adventure seekers. Thumbs up outro. So guys, what do you think about this legendary comeback? Would you like to see the Mahindra CJ3B 2026 on Indian roads? Comment below down finger, like this video hard, subscribe to Bike Legend Pro, and press the bell icon for more legendary content.